Hello friends, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today it's Halloween, okay, and these nails are bloody awesome. So come on in, sit back, relax, remember to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already. And let's get on with the video. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the middle nail because I had no idea where I was taking this set. I just knew that I wanted to do the ghost face. I wanted to do the scary ghost face, similar to the one I did last year, but I did like half of the nail with it. Now I'm going to do it a little differently and add some blood to it. So this is kind of like I'm revisiting a set from last year, but just a little twist. I'm adding some black gel polish here, and I do about I do 3 coats of this, and I do thin coats because black takes forever to cure and you don't want it to get all wrinkly, which happens when you put a really thick layer of gel polish on and try to cure it. And this is just because black is the darkest shade and it won't cure right if it's too thick. I cure it for about 60 seconds in between each coat anyway. So as I'm going into the nail art, I will let you know I did 3 coats of black. I cured that for 60 seconds in between, did base coat to secure it, cured that for 60 seconds, and then I went over it with matte coat. I will link every product I use in the description anyway, but I wanted to make sure I let you know that even if I skip the visuals. So after I did the matte coat, I'm starting out with some white gel polish and drawing the silhouette of the ghost face. And I did have a reference on the side, so like if I'm ever moving really slowly, which I will fast forward the video anyway, it's because I'm turning my head to the side to look at my reference. And I just prefer to draw on a matte base. That's the only reason why the nail's matte. But sometimes the nails look so good matte. Like I rarely ever do a matte finish, but once in a while I'll do a press-on set like it. I just can't wear it on my hand and go about my day-to-day because like just one little bit of chicken grease and it's over. And I like to eat like finger foods like chicken, and as soon as you get grease on it, you get some baby oil, you know, if you ashy, and all of a sudden it's ruining the finish. So I can't stand it, but I love it. So that's just reserved for press-on sets that I can take off.
Like I'm trying to catch it down kinda early. Look, you think her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shine and pearly. City boys that she fine and pretty, and the country boys that she fine and purty. My pockets think it's green as curry, and the ladies know soon as they see my jewelry. Being fresh to death is a crime. I think it's time for me to see the jury. Millionaires, they on the grind. So like me, it's hard to find. I ain't really impressed. Guess unless it's about some dollars. I really don't need to call you fine. Know you be hearing that all the time. Watching you do your step. Yep, it's going down.
I wanted the ghost face to be very opaque, or as opaque as possible, so I did do 3 coats and cured that for 60 seconds in between. And I'm going in with the black gel polish to draw the eyes. I'm using a dotting tool because I saw this in the tutorial. You can use a brush, but I got so used to using the dotting tool that I just stuck with it. And the eyes, I don't even know what shape to describe them as. They're just oddly shaped, and I'm sure you're familiar with this ghost face, so I need not explain this, but that's just how the shape looks. So like the weird shaped eyes and the nose, which is like 2 tiny dots, and then you connect them like it's an upside down heart, and then the gaping mouth. Alright, right now, this kind of looks like really cute. Like, it looks like a happy ghost face, but we don't want that. So we're gonna add some details here. And the details is just like some lines at the top of the eyes, all the way down to the center of the face. Kind of like some really bad eyebrows. I never drew my eyebrows like this. Okay, I have a nice arch. I don't know what this is. That Nike checkmark eyebrow. We ain't doing that. But I am gonna draw those thin lines right there, and I was going to use like a gray gel polish, but then I said let me just like dilute the black gel polish with like alcohol to let it fade out into like a lighter black, well, a gray. And I will show you what I mean in a moment, but I think that was a really good idea. The only problem was that I added blood on top and it covered the details. So I mean, like, it looked great, but then I covered it. I don't know why I did that. Also, I used the isopropyl alcohol, which is on my mixing plate here, and I dipped the brush in black and then into the alcohol to fade out the color so that I can do that detail on the side.
He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. What you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. I got everything you want with me. I do everything he does times 3. And he don't gotta know. I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Baby, leave the high heel shoes. Cause never when you're looking at me, I'm looking up at you. And I don't give a damn, shawty, watch me knock your boots off. And I'ma love you, girl, like me. And no one will stop us.
Alright, so we're moving on with the next nail. This is the thumbnail, and I didn't know what I want to do with this nail either. And then it just turned out I wanted to do like a spider design. I've done one before, like in my dark fantasy nail set that I did a few months back, and that one had chrome in it. We're not doing chrome this time. You know, I love me some chrome, but sometimes it's just not necessary. This one is just going to be regular white base with a black spider web design, and I'm gonna add like a little spider web, a spider gem on top. So I'm just going in with the mushroom white gel polish from BLUESKY, and I do about 2 coats of this because I don't need it to be too opaque. The white is gonna get overshadowed by everything on top anyway.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Can we
I can't let go, 'cause being confused just takes control. I hope we can start brand new.
So this last nail design is going to be on the rest of the other 3 nails, and it's more of like a dark bloody red blood drip, so to speak. I don't think I've ever done something like this before. Well, okay, I have a video that went out just before this one where I did like a bat wing on the French tip with like a blood drip down below. That was the first time. This was the second time, because after doing that I felt confident in doing this. But this blood drip is a mixture of a jelly red gel polish and a black gel polish with rhinestone glue. The rhinestone glue is from Makartt and the other gel polishes are from Beetles.
How you feel, I don't wanna stay, don't want to go, but you gotta let me know just how you feel, yeah. I don't wanna stay, no, I don't really wanna go, and I don't want to go.
I went over the blood with, well, the fake blood with a really darker version of it. I used the same ingredients and I added more of black just to make it darker because I wanted this to look really bloody. Like, it's not going to be the goriest nail set you've ever seen. I wasn't exactly trying to go for that American Horror Story gore vibe, but I just felt like it needed to be darker because it looked like jelly. I don't really like that vibe too much. But shout out to American Horror Story. I haven't watched American Horror Story in so long. Like, the last season I watched might have been season 9. I used to be a huge fan in middle school and high school, but they kind of fell off to me. I don't know. I just started talking about American Horror Story. I'm sorry. I mean, it's kind of fitting because it's a Halloween nail set, but also that came out of nowhere.
Baby, please listen to me.
Alright, so this is basically the last part, aside from attaching the nail gem and the top coat, but I use like this really ratchet brush. Like, I call it my ratchet brush because I use it for a bunch of random stuff that doesn't require any precision, and I've used it for blood splatter in the past. And I thought I could like flick the brush. You see the nails falling over and stuff. I thought I could flick the brush and it would splatter the blood. I don't think this is the right brush for that, so I ended up just like stabbing the nail just like that. I said, you know what, it's getting late, I gotta finish this set and just stab this nail up, because I do like I film like 3 to 4 nail sets a weekend, so sometimes I get towards the end of a set and it's just like, girl, we need to pack it up. Then I start getting impatient. I do love doing nails. It's just sometimes you've been staring at the nail set trying to get it right. I have a bunch of lights on me. You can see the reflection of the lights in the acrylic plate I have beneath me. But I have so many lights on me, it gets me like really hot and warm. Like, I don't know. After a while, your back hurts and you're just ready to pack it up. So this was really fun for me to just not have to care about precision or the line work and making sure the art looked nice. Just stabbing the nail basically, and then because it's messy, it looks really good.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing slots in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. But you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But don't stutter till I get out. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But don't stutter till I get out.
So usually when I'm adding charms and rhinestones, I add those first and then top coat them, but I actually forgot to do it, and so I went back in after I top coated them and cured them for 60 seconds. I added some rhinestone glue from Makartt and then just stuck the spider nail charm on, and I cured that with my flash cure lamp.
This life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder. There ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunned till I get. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunned till I get.
Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you loved how these spooky nails came out, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.